If you want to manage your notifications on Uber Eats, you can easily turn them off through the app settings. Follow these steps to adjust your notification preferences. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the account option usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access Notification Settings. Scroll down to find the Notification section within the account settings. Tap on it to view your notification preferences. Step 4. Adjust Notification Preferences. In the notification settings, you will see various options for different types of notifications. You can toggle off the notifications you wish to disable, such as order updates, promotions, or delivery alerts. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your preferences, make sure to save any changes it prompted. Exit the settings, and your notifications should now be turned off according to your selections. Now you can enjoy using Uber Eats without the distractions of unwanted notifications.